to the green room 42. I want y'all to fill your glasses on up and sit your asses on down. Cause tonight, we bring you the finest in black excellence. Now there's something about good loving that all you ladies should know. If you wanna light your man on fire, you gotta start it real slow. Keep on turning up the voltage till that man begin to glow, like you're switching on a light bulb. Watch the juice begin to flow. Now that I got your attention, here's what you men need to hear. Gotta get her in gear. Here's the key to rev her motor, find the spot she loved the best. If you don't know where it is, give her the stick, she'll do the rest. Oh, push the button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come in. Push the button, something to let your baby know it ain't no sin. Now if you wanna feel the train coming your way, baby, push the button and pull the window shade. Now listen, all you red hot lovers, you ought to know what to do. There ain't nothing wrong with nothing. That's right with both of you. So when tonight you make your lover cry out like a lion roar, tell your neighbor your new kitten found the cream it's looking for. Oh, push the button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come in. Push the button. Give me something to let your baby know it ain't no sin. Now if you wanna feel the train a-coming your way, baby, push the button and pull the window shade.